Cargo Select Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2020 Hyundai Kona, stock number 7330. It's ran for the 9th 2017 to the 10th 2020. There's a G4NH 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NH 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand daytime and running light and headlight. Left front guard, left front 17-inch factory made tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door 1 dent, 2 dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 17-inch factory made tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory made tyre, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory made tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, head AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory full spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.